won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to
Modern dance
stay.
is a broad genre of Western concert of theatrical dance, primarily arising out of Germany and the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Modern dance is often considered to have emerged as a rejection of or rebellion against classical ballet. History of modern dance. Modern dance was born in America during the turn of 20th century when a number of choreographers and dancers rebelled against the two forms of dance that were prevalent at that time, ballet and vaudeville. They rejected what they interpreted as the rigid and imperialistic nature of ballet, and they wanted to be taken seriously as artists rather than be seen simply as entertainers. In 1891, Louis Fuller began experimenting with the effects of gas lighting on her silk costumes. Fuller developed a form of natural movement and improvisation techniques that were used in conjunction with their revolutionary lighting equipment and translucent silk costumes. It was an inventor and stagecraft innovator who held many patients for lighting. Considered the founding mother of American modern dance, Isadora Duncan was largely self-taught. She presented her first recitals in 1898 and by 1900 she was in Europe, where she would spend most of her remaining life and win the greatest acceptance. Duncan was truly revolutionary. She discarded the corset, slippers, and tutu of conventional ballet dress, adopting instead tunics that freed the body and revealed its movement. She used music by Chopin, Beethoven, Gluck, Wagner, and other first-rank composers. She danced on concert stages and in opera houses. She spoke of her dances not as entertainment but as art with a high moral purpose. Ruth Dennis was raised in a bohemian environment and was encouraged to perform from a young age. She studied ballroom and skirt dancing and was drilled in Delsarte poses by her mother. Her first professional job was as a variety act in 1894 at Worth's Family Teatro, Family Theater and Museum in New York. Important early influences were her work with the eminent director David Belasco, Eastern spiritualism and imagery, along with European travel. Mother of modern dance. In the beginning of the 20th century, women like Isadora Duncan and Ruth St. Denis wanted to create a new form of dance. Duncan and St. Denis felt restricted by ballet. Modern dance was created as a revolt against ballet. Martha Graham was one of the most famous dancers and creators of dance, called choreographers. She brought modern dance to a new level of popularity in American culture. She created a new language of movement that expressed powerful emotions. She started traditions that are still used in modern dance today. They include the expressive movements of the body to tell a dramatic story, special music, lighting, stage design, and costumes. Merce Cunningham refined the work that is College Martha Graham formed and expanded with his own improvements, choreographies, and avant-garde dance techniques. During his long career, he was regarded as one of the greatest creative forces in American dance. Education dozens of worldwide famous dancers and thousands professional dancers who preserve his style until today. Lester Horton was a very influential contemporary dance visionary. who trained many famous modern dancers and managed to incorporate the styles of Native American dance and modern jazz into his dance techniques. 5 main characteristics of contemporary dance. This was named after choreographer and teacher Merce Cunningham. This style focused on the structure of the body in rhythm, space, and articulation. Cunningham uses the idea of the body's own line of energy to promote natural and easy movement. Graham. This was named after Martha Graham. This style basically focuses on the use of contraction, release, recovery, and fall. Graham is distinguished by floor work and the use of pelvic and abdominal contractions. The style is much grounded and the technique is visibly contrary to the slender and graceful airborne ideals of ballet. Limon. This was named after Jose Limon. It involves exploring the use of energy in relation to gravity and working with weight in terms of rebound, fall, suspension, and recovery. Limon technique uses the feeling of heavy energy and weight in the body, and movement is initiated using breath to lift and swings through the body to create and halt movement, and thus it feels very nice to perform. Release. Placing emphasis on minimizing tension in the search for fluidity and clarity and the efficient use of breath and energy. In release technique, just as it sounds, we release through the muscles and joints to create ease of movement, releasing the breath to support the release of the body. A dance style as well as a great relaxation. Improvisation. It mainly focuses on the relationship between movements and performance and on the investigation of movements. Development of individual movement material is made possible through a variety of creative explorations. Contact improvisation. Contact improvisation describes a duet dance characterized by fluid movement, weight exchange, and touch. Partners improvise the dance using the natural movement of the body. Contemporary dance stresses versatility and improvisation, unlike the strict structure nature of ballet. Contemporary dancers focus on floor work, using gravity to pull them down to the floor. This dance genre is often done in bare feet. Contemporary dance can be performed to many different styles of music.